Hi there, welcome back to Paint the Kitchen Red. I'm Nina and today I'm going to be sharing with you how to make Thai yellow curry in your Instant Pot. I have a few other curries that I've also shared that you may want to check out. Yellow curry is, well, it's yellow and that comes from the turmeric. And I would say that it's a little less spicy than the green curry and about the same spiciness as the red curry. I use Thai curry paste, but I also add a pinch of curry powder to boost the flavor. And if you really wanted to make it more spicy, you could just increase the quantity of curry paste that you add. And to make it less spicy, just reduce the curry paste. So let me go over the ingredients and then I'll show you how to make it. This is what you're going to need for the Thai yellow curry. 1.5 pounds of boneless, skinless chicken thighs, and you can cut those into bite-sized pieces. 1.5 cups of Yukon Gold potatoes, which is about 2 medium potatoes, and cut those into 1.5-inch cubes. 1/2 cup of onion, which is about half of a medium onion, cut into 1-inch cubes. 2 to 3 tablespoons of Thai yellow curry paste. Just adjust the quantity based on how spicy you want it. I really recommend either Maestri or Mayploy brands, and I'll put a link to those in the notes. The brand of curry paste you use makes a big difference to the taste of the curry. You'll need 2 tablespoons of brown sugar, or to taste, 1 teaspoon of lime juice, 1 cup of carrots, sliced lengthwise, and you can also use baby carrots if you want. 2 tablespoons of fish sauce, or more to taste. Fish sauce is a bit salty, so I would suggest that you add more if you need it at the end once everything is done cooking. 1 teaspoon of curry powder, and try and make sure that the curry powder is a bit fresh. If you've had a curry powder sitting in your cabinet for months or years, you may want to get a new bottle of curry powder. 4 lime leaves that are slightly bruised, and what I do is I just rip up the lime leaves with my hands before I put them in. And you'll also finally need 14 ounces of coconut milk, and that is about 1 can. And again, the brand you get really matters. I prefer a Roy D or Chowco brand, and again, I'll put those links in the notes. Heat up the Instant Pot, and once it's nice and hot, add 1/2 can of coconut milk. Add the Thai yellow curry paste and stir the two together till they are combined. And once you have kind of a creamy mixture, add in the curry powder and stir everything together until this mixture is nice and bubbly. The more bubbly it is, the better the flavor is going to be. But you also have to watch out for splatter because it can be kind of messy. So you may want to use a splatter screen, which I really love. It helps reduce the mess on my countertops. I'll put a link to that in the notes. And once it's nice and bubbly, that's when you're going to add the remaining ingredients. Add in the rest of the coconut milk. And use a spatula to clean out the rest of the can. You don't want to waste any of that coconut milk. Add the chicken and the potatoes and stir all the ingredients together till they're nicely combined. Close the lid and pressure cook on high pressure for 3 minutes. And then we're going to do a quick release of pressure. We don't want to do a natural release because there are potatoes in there and they'll get overcooked. And once the float valve has gone down, open the Instant Pot lid and stir up the curry. And now you want to add the brown sugar, the fish sauce, the lime juice, and the lime leaves. As I mentioned earlier, I break them up into bits to release the oils. And finally, I add the vegetables, the onions, the carrots, and stir everything together. And everything is going to cook on saute mode until the vegetables are crisp tender. If you like them to be cooked more, you can saute for a bit longer, and it shouldn't take more than about 5 to 6 minutes. I really love serving this curry with jasmine rice. It's just a really comforting meal. Maybe it's because of the potatoes and carrots. It has more of a stew kind of feel to it. So if you're in the mood for a comforting meal, I think this is just the recipe for you. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.